Dr. Joe DeMarco, chiropractor and owner of OcraMed Health. I'm bringing you another plant-based meal today. Now this is a chickpea salad with vegan ranch dressing. It is absolutely delicious. My wife made it for me for the first time last week and I just love this meal. Now we got the recipe from Esther's Kitchen, which is a Facebook page for those of us that are fans of Esther the Wonder Pig. You don't know who Esther the Wonder Pig is? Well, here she is on my calendar behind me. She's also on Facebook. Check it out. She lives at an animal sanctuary in Canada. Esther the Wonder Pig is absolutely awesome, as is Esther's Kitchen. So check them both out on Facebook after this video, okay? So let me show you a little bit about how we're going to put together this chickpea salad. I have 2 cans of drained chickpeas here, so we're going to put that into a bowl. I'm so psyched to be making this again because after my wife made it last week, I've just been craving this meal again. So I'm so psyched to be making this and at the same time sharing the recipe with you. Oh, by the way, I am actually doubling this because we have a lot of hungry people in this house. So everything I'm doing today, like the 2 cans of chickpeas, everything's doubled. If you check this out on Facebook at Esther's Kitchen, you're gonna notice it's half of everything that I'm doing today, okay? Then I have a cup of vegan mayo. I'm gonna just throw that in, cup of vegan mayo. Okay. All right, and I have half a cup of small diced red onions. I'm gonna throw that all in. Okay, we have 2 stalks of grated celery right here. Okay, I have a cup of grated carrots. And we have 6 tablespoons of finely diced dill pickles. All right. That's our main ingredients. We have some spices here. We have 2 teaspoons of celery weed, dill weed, dried parsley, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Okay, so we're going to add all that in. And then we're just going to do a little drizzle of some maple syrup. So just a little drizzle. Do it to your taste. I'm just going to put a little drizzle in here of the maple syrup. Good. All right, so I'm gonna mix this all up and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna have it as our meal. Okay, so here's the final product. Here's the chickpea salad, all mixed up with the vegan ranch dressing. Now, you can eat it as is. What I like to do is I like to chill it for 30 or 40 minutes in the fridge, so it's a little on the colder side. Doesn't matter, whatever to your preference. The way I like to eat this is I'll take a half a pita pocket and I will throw in a sliced tomato, and I'll throw in a little lettuce, and then I'll scoop in some of my chickpea salad. All right. And that's my favorite way of eating this thing. Who says that vegans don't enjoy what they're eating? This recipe is unbelievable. It's one of the most delicious, especially in the summer. This is a great summertime recipe. So anyways, like I said, take a moment if you get a chance, check out Esther the Wonder Pig, check out Esther's Kitchen. They're both on Facebook. Also, when you have a chance, visit my website, www.OcraMedHealth.com. If you haven't done so already, take a moment, subscribe to my channel, OcraMed Health on YouTube. Click that little bell notification. It notifies you every time we upload a new video. If you have any questions about plant-based recipes or exercise or injuries, just leave a comment in the comment section down below. I do everything I can to get back to everybody. And don't forget, OcraMed Health is here to keep you fit forever.